Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Calipio. Calipio is a screen recorder tool. That means you can record your screen, your video and your audio by using this tool. And if you are familiar with BerryCast, which was previously on lifetime deal of AppSumo, it's an alternative of BerryCast. And I am a regular user of BerryCast guys, and as of now, you are watching this screen has been recorded by using this BerryCast. But by any chance, if you missed this tool and if you need a screen recorder tool also, then you can get this Calipio lifetime deal. As of now, I am recording this video. They are running their lifetime deal on AppSumo. So see, they're saying that record your screen, camera and voice without any download or installation, run just on your browser. So it's an browser based screen recorder tool guys, and as you can see, they're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo. The lifetime deal pricing is 69 USD. You can get at least 10% discount on this pricing guys. And see, these are the features that you will get. And here have cloud storage for 250 minutes of recording. So in this video, I will review this Calipio software. Also, I will make a little comparison with this BerryCast guys, because these two tools are almost similar, but I am a regular user of BerryCast. So if you think you need this type of tool but you missed BerryCast, then you can get this Calipio. But here one big difference I have gotten. See, on Calipio you can store up to 250 minutes recording, but on BerryCast you can store basically unlimited amount of videos, or you can get unlimited amount of storage. See, there have unlimited video storage. So this is one comparison between this tool, and other things are almost same, I think. So these are the things. So now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Calipio and let's see how these things will work here. See, this is the dashboard of Calipio. Whenever you will sign up or log in, you will get a interface like that. And see, here have create recording option, here have request recording option. So you can create your own video just by clicking here create recording. But another thing is, you can request to other people for video recording. This is one new feature that do not have on BerryCast. So on BerryCast you cannot request other person to record screen or to record video on your dashboard, but on Calipio you can request the recording from others basically. So this is one plus point on Calipio. These are the things. And see, here you will see all your videos on this video section. You can see all your users and role. You can add new users here, and here have the settings option. So in this setting option you can have custom branding. You can change your logo and favicon. You can change your primary color, text color, background color. So these are the things. Also you can add here your custom domain. So these things are completely similar to BerryCast. So these are the things, and this is license. So you can see what is your license and you can upgrade from here basically. So these are the things. Now guys, we will record a video by using this Calipio, and then I will show you how the recording quality and how the audio quality. And as of now, you are hearing me guys, you are hearing me on BerryCast platform. And now I will record video from Calipio, and then I will show you how these things work. So I'm clicking here create recording, and see, here you have to allow the screen, you have to allow the webcam, also you have to allow the microphone. And after allowing everything, just click here record, and then here share the screen. And so these are the things. See, now it's recording. See, now it's recording, and here have one pop-up. See, this is one pop-up of Calipio. But if you see the pop-up of BerryCast, see, this is the pop-up of BerryCast. Here have a lot of option. Here have here have option for start over, for pause. Here have option for pencil. See, you can do these types of thing here basically. I hope you get the idea. And then you can on or off your webcam, you can on or off your external sound, internal sound. You can see your timing from here. Then if you click here done, then it will be done. And you can also delete the recording from here. but on Calipio these features are not available. But Calipio is new tool, so I think they will add these features in future. So these are the things. I hope you get the idea, guys. And now let me uh, finish it. Okay, before finishing, let me browse some data from here. Suppose I'm browsing some screen so that it can be recorded. See, I have been browsed, and then I'll browse this one. So I'm browsing this one. So these are the things. Now I'm going to the dashboard of Calipio, and then I'll click here finish. So if I click here finish, then you can share this video to others from here. You can rename, suppose I'll rename it for video, and it's uploading to the cloud, and you can upload up to 250 minutes on the cloud of Calipio. So these are the things, guys. Let it be upload. So it has been uploaded, guys. Now you can play. Now I will play it, and I will hear you how the sound quality is. Let me play it. Now it's recording. See, now it's recording, and here have one pop-up. See, this is one pop-up of Calipio. But if you see the pop-up of BerryCast, see, this is the pop-up of BerryCast. Here have a lot of option. Here have option for start over, for pause. Here have option for pencil. See, you can do these types of thing here basically. I hope you get the idea. And then you can on or off your webcam. You can on or off your external sound, internal sound. You can see your timing from here. Then if you click here done, then it will be done, and you can also delete the recording from here. But on Calipio these features are not available, but Calipio is new tool, so I think they will add these features in future. So these are the things. I hope you get the idea, guys. Now let me finish it. Okay, before finishing, let me browse some data from here. Suppose I'm browsing some screen so that it can be recorded. See, I have been browsed, and then I'll browse this one. So I'm browsing this one. So these are the things. Now I'm going to the dashboard of Calipio, and then I'll click here. So at last, guys, see, now I'm not hearing any video here. I don't know why these things has not been recorded. So I hope you get the idea, guys. Now you can share this video to others. And another thing is, you cannot embed this video, but on BerryCast you can embed the video basically. So these are the things, and I hope you get idea about video quality. And another thing is, you cannot select here your recording area. On BerryCast you can select a specific area to record, but you cannot select a specific area on Calipio. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get the idea about this tool. So if you think you need a screen recorder tool, guys, for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this tool from AppSumo, and you can get at least 10% discount. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you think this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, then please consider subscribing this channel. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.